Gum. Everybody loves gum. But what makes it so special? Maybe it's the way it can relieve anxiety during an awkward situation. Or maybe it's the excitement of seeing who can blow the biggest bubble. It could even just be the sweet fruity flavor that attracts you. People of all ages chew gum. While at school, hanging with friends, walking around, studying and reading. Everyone chews it. But what if we could add an extra step to make it more fun for the consumers? Introducing NVK's design that will sure to become a signature staple in your home.
Hey, do you have gum?
Yeah, gum. Do you want some?
Oh, your dirty hands have been on it.
Hey, do you want gum? I got you. I have this gumball machine, and you don't even need someone else to touch your gum. Here, try it.
Let's go. Hey, come back doing it on my own.
Yeah.